Imagine the power of organizing your customers into distinct groups. With ERP and Engonus, it's not just possible, it's easy. Navigate to Settings in the left side menu, then select Groups. Here you'll see your existing customer groups, their respective discounts, and the Action button. Clicking on this allows you to edit or delete groups. Creating a new group? Simply assign a customer to it when you create their profile. What about editing? Change the discount percentage or the group name as you wish. Consider creating groups with a 0% discount for general customers. This will aid in generating group-specific reports later. Too many groups to create manually? No problem. Use the import feature in the upper left corner. Select Create and a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to establish a new customer group. With ERP and Engonus, customer organization has never been simpler.